6 gentle ways to enjoy eggs comfortably. After 60, eggs have been part of our meals for as long as most of us can remember. They show up at breakfast tables, in warm soups, in sandwiches, and in family recipes passed down through generations. As we grow older, many foods may come and go from our routine, but eggs often stay because they are simple, familiar, and comforting. But the way we enjoy eggs may change as the years go by. Our digestion becomes a little more sensitive, our taste preferences shift, our mornings feel different, and sometimes we just want to enjoy our food without heaviness, without discomfort, and without guessing what our body wants. Today, we are going to explore 6 gentle, senior-friendly ways to enjoy eggs after 60. These are not rules, they are not warnings, they are not restrictions. They are simply easy ideas that make eggs feel lighter, more enjoyable, and more supportive of the calm, steady routines so many older adults appreciate. Let us begin. Habit 1. Choose egg styles that feel naturally gentle on your stomach. The way you cook your eggs makes a difference in how they feel in your body. Some styles are soft and soothing, others are firmer and require more chewing. There is no good or bad option. What matters is how comfortable it feels to you. Many older adults find the following cooking styles especially gentle. Soft scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, sliced into thin rounds, poached eggs, steamed eggs, eggs cooked into a light soup. These styles tend to be soft, moist, and easy to chew. They do not sit heavily in the stomach, making them a wonderful choice for breakfast or even a light dinner. If you prefer firmer textures, you can still enjoy them. Just take your time and notice how your body responds. Comfort is your best guide. Habit 2. Pair eggs with foods that add balance and softness. Eggs combine beautifully with many foods. Pairing them with soft, gentle sides can create a meal that feels satisfying without feeling too heavy. Here are some comforting combinations. Eggs with warm toast. Eggs with soft-cooked vegetables. Eggs with oatmeal on the side. Eggs with mashed avocado. Eggs with a small bowl of fruit. Eggs with rice or porridge. The goal is balance. If your egg dish feels rich, pair it with something light. If it feels too light, pair it with something grounding. You do not have to eliminate anything. You just choose what feels soothing. Many seniors discover that pairing eggs with soft textures helps them feel more relaxed during and after the meal. Habit 3. Eat eggs at the time of day that feels best for your body. Some people enjoy eggs in the morning. Others feel better eating eggs later in the day. There is no rule. What matters is how your body feels. Ask yourself, do eggs feel energizing early in the day? Do they feel too heavy in the morning but perfect for lunch? Do they feel comforting in the evening? Your body changes with age, and your routines can change with it. Eggs are flexible enough to fit anywhere in your day. For example, you may enjoy a soft boiled egg with fruit in the morning, or scrambled eggs with vegetables at lunch, or an egg drop soup for a light evening meal. Let your energy guide your timing. The right meal time makes the experience smoother and more enjoyable. Habit 4. Add moisture to keep eggs soft and easy to chew. Many older adults notice that dry foods feel less comfortable than they used to. Eggs, depending on how they are cooked, can sometimes feel dry on their own. Moisture makes eggs softer, lighter, and more pleasant to eat. Here are simple ways to add moisture. Scramble eggs with a splash of water or milk. Add eggs into soups or stews. Serve eggs with sautéed tomatoes. Mix eggs with lightly cooked spinach. Steam eggs for a silky texture. Adding moisture does not change the flavor dramatically. It simply helps your food feel easier on your throat and stomach. If your mouth often feels dry in the morning, this habit can make breakfast feel more welcoming. Habit 5. Try gentle seasonings that support flavor without overwhelming the palate. Taste sensitivity naturally changes with age. Strong seasonings that once felt exciting may now feel sharp. Others may become more enjoyable than before. Eggs are one of the easiest foods to season lightly. Consider using a sprinkle of mild herbs, a tiny pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, a bit of soft cheese, chives, parsley, or basil, a dot of butter for richness. You do not need strong spices to make eggs delicious. Gentle seasonings create warmth and familiarity. If your taste changes from day to day, that is normal. You can adjust seasonings to match what feels good in the moment. Habit 6. Combine eggs with routines that bring comfort to your morning. Eggs are not just a food. They are part of the rhythm of your day. How you eat them, what you eat them with, and the pace of your meal all influence how you feel. Many older adults find comfort in slow, steady routines that support both body and mind. Consider integrating eggs into a quiet breakfast with soft music, a morning spent sitting near a sunny window, a shared meal with a loved one, a warm drink that helps the body wake gently, a moment of gratitude before beginning your day. The food itself matters, but the experience around the food matters even more. When you combine nourishing meals with calming routines, you create mornings that feel balanced and peaceful, a natural moment of connection. If any of these ideas help you feel more at ease with your meals, know that you are not alone. Many seniors quietly adjust their eating habits over time, not because of fear, but because their body begins asking for something gentler. Your relationship with food does not stay the same throughout life, and it does not need to. It can evolve into something softer, simpler, and more aligned with who you are today. What matters is that you feel good after you eat, comfortable, calm, and steady. A soft closing message. Eggs have been with you through countless seasons of life. They have appeared on busy mornings, slow weekends, holiday gatherings, and quiet afternoons. As you grow older, they can continue to be a comforting part of your meals as long as you prepare and enjoy them in ways that support your body's needs. There is no right style, no wrong pairing, no strict schedule. There is only what feels gentle today. Take your time. Adjust when needed. Let comfort guide you. You deserve meals that feel warm and nurturing. You deserve a morning that begins softly. And you deserve food that supports your well-being with kindness. Thank you for spending this moment caring for yourself. May your next meal bring a sense of calm and simple joy.